Have we checked your analytics today?
I checked them this morning. 100,000 subs. You know what it means. Where's my pink highlighter? Huzzah! Woo-wee! She is full. Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. So we just wanted to make this video to give a very big fat thank you to all of our subscribers. How many are there now?
Got a couple.
Just a couple?
100,000 subscribers. We just hit a pretty big milestone. Pretty exciting.
We are very excited, and equally exciting, we've got something coming up for you guys. You can actually win your very own custom tiny home. We've got more details on that coming soon. If you want more info right now, hit the link below, omaze.com/George. But right now, we do just want to take a moment to actually stop and celebrate just how epic this achievement is. You know, we're new to YouTube. We've been here for a while, but we've only really been full-time on YouTube, focusing on our content.
Just over a year.
Yeah. So we put up a little 1-year highlight reel, which was a lot of fun actually looking back on everything that we've done in the last year.
You are here and I am here because both of us really love to go inside other people's homes and have a good old-fashioned sticky beak. Some people might think of that as stalking. I like to think of that as inquisitive.
And to hit 100,000 subscribers is insane. And to give you a bit of an idea, at the start of this year, before we'd launched our Tasmania series, so our amazing design experience around Tasmania, we had how many subs?
2,000 subs in Jan, I think.
Yeah, it was 2,000, I'm pretty
2K
sure.
in Jan.
We said, let's hit 100,000 subs by the end of the year. That was our goal. And so the fact that we've been able to do that in 8 months is
pretty
insane.
big.
Yeah, so thank you so much. You guys are absolutely fantastic. We've loved growing our community on YouTube. It took us a while to find our community, so we're very happy to have found you guys. So thanks for having us. Early on, it wasn't so fun.
What are you talking about? You liked the early comment.
You are much more a YouTuber than I am. So Jono had to kind of verse me in the world of YouTube, and I just couldn't understand some of the comments we were getting, because we never get any negative comments. But Jono's like, that's just YouTube.
At the start, it's just YouTube. As you get further down, they get drowned out by the positive ones.
Exactly. So I'm so excited that we
better.
found our people. You are our people, and thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, I think it's time. And also, if you're new to our channel and you're watching this for the first time, if you love homes, design, and all things awesome lifestyle, then this is the channel for you. End of this
Road
year.
to 1 mil.
Road to 1 mil! I don't think we
We're
can
a little
hit-
bit off that
I
now.
think so. Maybe we could hit
150?
I was gonna say 200. I'm aiming high.
You better start our next sub machine. Your chart for your wall.
Submachine. Oh, yeah.
You're gonna draw another sub. But this time, instead of it being like that
I
big,
need to imagine
it'll have to be
it.
like that big because it needs 1 million people in it. It's gonna go from 100 to 1 million.
Oh
and
my
we'll tick them
gosh.
off as we go.
I always get so excited by my pink highlighter.
This
It's
one?
like the
You've been taking it everywhere with you. You're all in theme today.
I am in theme, honestly. Nothing is more satisfying than ticking things off the list. If you agree with me, comment below. Pink highlighters are the best. They make me feel so excited. So yes, it inspired my outfit. Pink pants, pink nail polish.
Pink tea.
Ah, pink tea.
I got one more.
Okay. Okay. Okay, bye. Okay, so whilst Jono is off doing something, I want to talk to you about how you can win your very own tiny home. Another home is up for grabs. So last time we actually took you around an incredible big 4-bedroom home, but it was in Glen Iris, Melbourne. So it was very much for our Australian audience. And we heard you guys, you were like, what about us? So today, this one is actually for our US-based audience, and it is a doozy. I am so excited about this because I, for one, am obsessed with tiny homes. Like seriously, they are so cool. So you can actually win your very own tiny home, fully customized by you, and it's built by Modern Tiny Living. So it's up to the value of $100,000. And when it comes to like tiny cabins, $100,000 goes a hell of a long way. Plus all your taxes are all covered, so that's good. Taxman is not knocking at your door, so tick. And it's fully customizable, so you can literally do whatever you want. So you can choose your own interior. You might want to go with like a beautiful kind of modern classic vibe, or maybe bring in a bit of color. Maybe you want to go a bit more kind of a Scandi timber theme. Like, the world is your oyster. You can literally create your very own tiny home specific to your needs. For me, I kind of like the Scandi timber vibes. I really like that light timber, and I'd probably pull it right back to kind of match, I guess, the nature around me, because I'm just envisioning this tiny home in the middle of an amazing landscape where I'm just surrounded by trees and everything. But that's just me. What would you guys do if this was your tiny home? What would your color palette be? I'd love to know. What materials would you choose? You could also customize it by putting solar panels in, or maybe you could create a large kind of party deck, you know, extend it out, and that way you're doubling your footprint. I would love to put an outdoor bath if it was me. I'm all for outdoor baths. But what would you do? I'd love to know, actually. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you would actually love in a tiny home. What purpose would it need to serve you? This is actually all in aid of Path, which is a charity that is on a mission to end homelessness for individuals, families, and communities. And they do this by building affordable housing in California. So if you potentially want to win your very own tiny home and go towards supporting a fantastic cause, then make sure you hit the link below or head to omaze.com/George. Hey!
Drink for you. Another pink drink.
Oh, it's my pink drink
It's a
in our
pink
pink
drink.
glasses. Cheers. Oh, that's good.
What's all this about a tiny cabin? I've wanted a tiny cabin for ages.
I know, we've spoken about it a lot. Where are we
Don't-
putting it?
Well, we don't have any land yet. We've been looking for a bit. I've got a spot for one. And I'm on the lookout for a Melbourne-based tiny cabin trailer company. I need hot tips.
Hot tips.
Leave me a hot tip, because I'm on the lookout, because I've got an idea. But when we were cruising around Tassie, and we got to see one of the sickest cabins, the Bruny Island Hideaway. That thing was pretty amazing.
Just check out this amazing view that you get from bed. Oh my God, imagine waking up here. A lovely sort of shelf detail here to put your cup of tea, put your books. Oh my gosh, so incredible.
But we also got to experience a couple of other ones up on a hill.
Sweeney's Hut.
Sweeney's Hut in Gundagai.
It was hot.
It was
I remember it being
cooking.
very hot. And they had the hot
November.
tub.
Well, I cranked that. He
Yeah.
said don't put more than 2 logs on it. It was like a dim sim steamer. So hot.
Is that a dim sim?
Yeah. And that was so cool. Being on top of that hill with that view was just like next level.
Yeah.
How good is this hot tub?
I got another hot tip.
What's your hot
That
tip?
there's some other cool little tiny cabins coming soon to Victoria. Dave from Clifftop at Hepburn gave me the hot tip that he's building some pretty amazing colour-bond circle cabin things.
Circle?
Seen a little preview of them, and
We're
they're
going to have to go
looking
visit
amazing.
Dave and these amazing.
And I reckon they're going to be
little
open before the end of the year.
things. Are they?
Yeah.
Does that mean we can get another Tesla?
Maybe. You'll have to ask Tesla. I wonder if they're going to have, are their little cabins going to have Tesla chargers?
Ooh.
I don't know. He's all about his eco and solar and all
Yeah.
the rest of it. So maybe. Got any other hot tips for cabins, tiny homes, container homes, awesome little getaways in Victoria? Leave us a link below and we'll go visit them and we'll share them with you as well.
Last week you would have seen our renovation trailer. We have got more room makeovers coming your way. We are very excited.
What's coming up next?
Well, next week is the guest bedroom. It was a junk room. It was a mess. It was disgusting. It was like nightmare horror sounds. And now it's wonderful and lovely and it's a beautiful retreat. Are you ready to see the final guest bedroom? I am.
And then what have we got? What's up next?
Dining room. Oh my God, the
We've been
dining
actually enjoying the
room.
dining room.
Love the dining room.
We've been using it.
You
for the
used it
first
just
time.
before to make me a drink as well.
I did. I can actually get in there now.
I think it's literally going to be what changes this room from like old school kind of, oh that's nice, to like, yeah, let's hang out in the dining room. And after the dining room, we've got the master bedroom and the ensuite. That's probably the biggest reno we've done. I think
Probably
this
the most exciting room.
Yeah, it is
because
exciting.
it's like our main room.
That's coming, so we're so excited to share that with you. As well as that, we've also got some styling videos, how to style up your bedroom and how to style up your mantle. So we'll continue a lot of those on our channel as well, because I do get asked that a lot on my personal Instagram. But basically, we just wanted to say a big old thank you to all of our subscribers. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do. If you want to win yourself an amazing tiny cabin, hit the link below or head to our custom URL.
omaze.com/George.
And we'll see you guys next week for our guest bedroom makeover. Cheers. What's our next goal?
Next goal.
Yeah.
More videos.
Holiday. Take a break.
We haven't ticked any of them off.
No. Central Australia. Can't get there.
Can't go.
WA. Architecture. Can't see it. Support. We're still actually supporting local designs. You know what? I'll give us a tick.
Give us
we are
one
doing
tick.
that, yeah. Write more. That was for me personally, not for...
Okay.
I write a lot for Hunting with George, but not for me personally.
Surf more.
Surf more.
Hasn't happened.
I'm sad because you're sad, which makes me sad.
US. Well, we're not going overseas.
Design, we can't go overseas. Learn how to cook beef Wellington. We need to tick this off. All right, that's this weekend.
It's on film now.
And 50 letter sins.
What are we at?
I think we're at 31, 32, 31 maybe.
Oh, we've got plenty on our list to shoot. We've just got to get out there and do it when we can.
Video, subscribe already. Just do it. Do it. It feels weird that I have to keep asking you all the time. If this is not the first time you've watched me and you have not yet subscribed, just subscribe. Okay, good chat. Bye.